I chose Swansea because of its top 3 UK ranking for medicine. Population health is the next big thing in healthcare. It's the study of the factors that determine the outcomes of individuals, groups and populations, including healthcare systems, genetics, lifestyle behaviours and environmental influences. By studying these factors, experts in population health can revolutionise healthcare systems and provide solutions to help improve people's long-term health and well-being. If you are interested in the growing pressures on healthcare systems globally, including disease, ageing populations and increasing incidences of poor mental health, whilst equally being interested in medical and life sciences, these are the 3 strands you could choose from in your second year.
The medical science and research strand is for those aspiring researchers interested in the next big breakthrough in medical research.
The enterprise and innovation strand is for those entrepreneurially minded students who want to take groundbreaking research to market and apply it to everyday problems.
Our medical science and practice strand is our pathway to medicine. This strand readies students to apply to graduate entry medicine.
The city has so much to offer, like visiting the different landmarks around Swansea, like the Brecon Beacons and the Gower.
My favourite thing about Swansea is how much it feels like home to me. Everyone I've met here has been genuinely lovely and welcoming, especially my course leader and my lecturers. With their support, I believe that one day I could become a doctor.